Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get trading permissions on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing this in the client portal on the web. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then complete the two-factor authentication when prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on the client portal homepage. Next, click the user profile icon in the top right corner. It's the head and shoulders icon right next to the help button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, click Settings. This opens the main settings page, which is split into two sections: Account Settings on the left and User Settings on the right. Now, look down the left side under Account Settings and find the Trading section. Click on Trading Permissions. This page shows all the asset types available and which ones you currently have access to. Scan through the list of products. You'll see things like stocks, options, futures, and so on. Each product will have either an Edit button if you already have permission, or a Request button if you don't. Find the asset type you want to trade and click the Request button next to it. A permission request form will appear. If there's an option to select specific markets or exchanges, you'll see checkboxes or a blue Add button. Choose the markets where you want to trade this product. Next, you'll need to fill in some information about your trading experience. The form will ask about your experience level, how many trades you expect to make per year, and your knowledge of that particular product. Fill this out honestly. Your eligibility is based on your financial profile and experience. After that, you'll see risk disclosure documents. Read through these and tick the checkboxes to accept them. These are required by regulatory authorities for certain products. Once you've accepted the disclosures, click the Continue button at the bottom of the page. This takes you to a review screen where you can see a summary of the trading permissions you're requesting. Check that everything looks correct. Then, you'll be asked to provide an electronic signature. Just type your full name in the signature field. Finally, click the Final button to submit your request for review. Your request usually takes anywhere from a few hours to a few days to process, depending on the product. If you get an eligibility warning, you can update your financial profile under Account Settings or proceed anyway by providing your signature. Once approved, the new permissions will show up on your Trading Permissions page, and you'll be able to start trading those products. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.